Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to access Suzuki Connect on multiple devices. So let's start the video. Firstly, you should have a device with a Suzuki Connect account already open. The first step is to open the Suzuki Connect. Next, click on the profile option. Immediately after clicking, you will see a car dashboard option. In my case, it's displaying the new Epic Swift. In your case, it will display your car's name and picture. Now click on the add option. A page like this will open. Here you need to fill the details of the person on whose device you want to open the Suzuki Connect. After filling the details, another page will open. Here you need to set the permissions. I'm agreeing to all the permissions, but you can set them according to your preference. Similarly, set alert and notifications. Now click on send invite option. As soon as you click, it will show guest user has been invited successfully. Please request the guest to sign up to use Suzuki Connect. Now click OK and then click on the return option. As soon as you click, the guest user's name will appear. Below the guest user's name, you will see show authorization code option. Clicking on, you will see a 4-digit code. Note, you have to remember this code. Now install Suzuki Connect on the device where you want to open the guest account. Now open the app. When you will open the app, you will see a blue arrow option. On clicking, you will see a page. Here, you have to fill in the same details you entered earlier. You will receive a 6-digit OTP. On entering the OTP, you have to set your password. On clicking, you will see a message. Then you have to fill in the guest code. Enter that authorization code. Then you have to set your MPIN. That's it. You have successfully set up Suzuki Connect on multiple devices. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.